Right folks, it's finally came, the days came. By the way, the gentleman's getting these gates for Gordon's line in Turkey, they knew. Turkey, yeah, Turkey. Right, these are the gates, that's one of the gates, that's them been painted, treated. Famous WSH badges on them. Oh, by the way, hear this, by the way folks. You know I like to cheer you up. You know I like the old Beverly Hillbillies, the Clampets, well. There's been a clamp fest in here today, I think, because every street you go, the clampets have been there clamping all the cars with the yellow things in the wheels. But they've been busy. I counted 20. So Jed and his family, the old grandma, been out clamping our clamp fest. And I think it's been madness, eh? Thank Christ it wasn't me. Clamp fest. Every street we went to today, down the harbour area. Oh, yellow clamp, yellow clamp, yellow clamp. There wasn't a good part to them all. This is the gate for Cumnock. The belt frame's below there, we've got that one there. This gate's for Simon, right? Now what we've done with this is, you see, it's no painted yet. So what we do, we've just glued this, right? We'll leave it dry, because see if you go and treat it and put it in the tank, it'll run all the glue around the bucket. So what you better do, leaving them overnight to dry, then treat it. Because what we've found, it's like, you learn your mistakes, because you see this gate here, you see the back of it, you with me, right? And if you don't do that, all the glue runs out and it all marks off. So there you go. So that's that there, that's that there, that's that there. Oh, hold on a minute. Oh, I'm out the mark. I was talking to a boy for Drunken the day at Sally's. He was doing his motorbike. What's his name again? I'll need to mind his name because he's quite an interesting tale. He's a driving instructor. Is that magazine there, Stucky? There's Stucky, we get that magazine. And we're talking, very, very interesting conversation. He's learned to drive a motorbike. So he's out with Gus, learning with my good friends at Fast Track. I meet them kind of regular at Sally's Snack Bar. So I do, right? So just try to keep the camera pointing that way. So if you don't want this Stucky, he's a little place, but he don't want to be known. So it's Mark Johnson for drumming, and he's a driving instructor. But he's here learning to drive a motorbike. So he's going to instruct how to drive the motorbike. So the question is, Mark, who tells you the highway code? Is it Gus or is it you who tells you the highway code? So there you go. See the interesting people I meet in my travels. So there you go. Mark Johnson for drumming, who stays in here now, driving instructor, learning to drive a motorbike or lawnmower, we don't know. We'll wait and see. See you all later, folks. Oh, by the way, good magazine. There's some of my good friends at Ayrshire magazine. Get it. Good reads and that, by the way. Great read, great content, great quality, good stories. Ayrshire magazine. Okay, see you later.